know what that's for. Strange.
What's this? Zucchini. It's been grated. Now I sprinkle it over. The nachos. Like that. There. And lastly, what else we have? Cheese. Sprinkle the cheese on. There. And now to cook it up, you can do it for my.
The accessories in here are
Now, we need to use a muffler.
this is to
I've already got one.
for mounting the power supply.
Put on my oven glove to get it out. Open it up. Are you ready? Here it comes.
This is for holding the power supply cables.
Cheese nachos.
Put it there or there.
It's all melted cheese, and there's the smartest salsa and zucchini on the nachos. So, that's how you make cheese nachos, my friend. You can make one. What's next today? While you're watching more fun on Kids.
Screws to mount the motherboard onto the standoffs, which are already in. Speaker. Molex to Molex power converter. These are the. I'm quite sure. I guess I'll find out in due course what they're for. Some kind of screws, specialised ones. Some more screws. And soundproofing rubber, which I'll find out via the instructions how to use those. More cable management. And it's also got the cable management system. The CPU caller, you know, the hole there to change the CPU caller easily without taking the motherboard out. Tallest PCI card there. Okay.
Looks like we might need to put some more posts